Hello, I'm Yuki.
Mizuho.
We have spent 3 weeks at the ICT UQ.
We are going to introduce it to you.
This is our classroom. We went to Lone Pine. There were many koalas and kangaroo. So very cute. I fed a kangaroo.
And we went to study. The ocean was very beautiful. Yum! We had fish and chips for lunch. We were refreshed.
I'm hungry.
I want to eat something.
Okay, I will show you where the student dining hall is.
Sorry.
We experienced many things during our 3 weeks. We become a good English speaker.
The classes were very fun. We have spent a wonderful time with our host family.
3 weeks were very fast.
We want to come to Australia again.
You should take part in this experience too.
Bye bye!